The first step here is visiting the App Store on your phone, and you're going to type in Trust Wallet in the search bar, and that is going to bring up a list of results. You might have some sponsored results at the top, but we're looking for this right here, Trust the Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. So if we go ahead and click on that, we can now click on the download button. Now, while we're waiting for that to download, you can see this has a 4.7 star rating across 191,000 individual ratings. At this point, we can go ahead and click on the open button, and this is going to navigate us to the Trust Wallet app. From here, we have the option to click on the Get Started button, and then on this screen, it gives you the option here to either create a new wallet from scratch or add an existing wallet. So if you already have a seed phrase from an existing cryptocurrency wallet, you can click on this button down here and create a passcode and then import that seed phrase, and that is going to bring this wallet over to this new Trust Wallet. But in most cases, we're going to be starting from scratch with a new wallet, so we're going to click on Create a New Wallet as the top option. At this point, you're going to create a passcode for your device. This is not your seed phrase. This is just for accessing the Trust Wallet app, similar to the lock screen on your phone. So go ahead and pick a 6-digit number and set this accordingly. And now it brings us to the screen here where we can create a new wallet. Now you have multiple options here. I'm not entirely sure what the Swift option is. I'm going to click on Show More Details. With this option, it allows you to create and recover a wallet with Face ID or fingerprint, and this is done automatically with your device's passkey. It's not going to operate any differently than the Trust Wallet if you set it up with your secret phrase. Now, I'm not familiar with this option since it's new and in beta, so we're not going to go through with that, but it is available there if you want to explore that on your own. We're going to use the secret phrase option, so we're going to click on the Create button next to secret phrase, and you now have the two options, the manual backup or the backup to iCloud. Now, as far as whether or not you do the manual backup or the iCloud backup, it depends on what level of security you are looking for. Because if you do the iCloud backup, there's always the chance that your Apple account were to get compromised, and at that point, people could get access to your seed phrase and then get access to your crypto wallet. If you do a manual backup and record your seed phrase on paper, for example, there's always the risk that you could lose that piece of paper or it could get damaged in some type of fire or something like that. That's why a lot of people will actually use titanium wallets where you will take your seed phrase and put it in the metal slots there with metal letters. That way, even in the event of a fire, you wouldn't lose access to your seed phrase. So you can make a decision there as to which option seems better to you. In this case, we're going to move forward with the manual backup. So I'm going to click on backup manually. But again, you can look into this yourself and see which one is the best fit for you. Now on the screen here, it mentions that this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. So you have to check all boxes that apply, basically confirming that you understand these things to be true. First of all, Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase. You can't reach out to them if you lose it. If it's gone, you will not be able to reaccess your wallet. The next line here says, saving this digitally in plain text is not recommended. Examples include screenshots, text files, or emailing yourself. So you're going to want to record this on a piece of paper and then store that somewhere that is very safe. And you also might want to build in some redundancy here. And then at the bottom, it says write down your secret phrase and store it in a secure offline location. So once we check all of those boxes, we're going to click on the continue button. Now at this point, the entire 12-word seed phrase is being revealed on screen. You do have the option to copy it to your clipboard, but based on what we just read, you're going to want to record this on a piece of paper and store it somewhere safely. So go ahead and take the time now to record this and write down the number as well, because the order is going to matter here in terms of the seed phrase. Now, once you have securely recorded this seed phrase offline, you're going to click on the green continue button at the bottom, and it's now going to confirm your secret phrase by making you choose 4 of the words, proving that you do in fact have the seed phrase stored somewhere. After clicking on the confirm button at the bottom, it's going to bring us to the next screen after it verifies that we have the correct seed phrase, and we have now successfully created a Trust Wallet. Notice how it didn't ask you for an email or your name or anything like that, and that's because the seed phrase is exactly what is used to connect you to this wallet, and that is exactly why you're not able to reset this, because there's nothing tying this to you or your personal information. The only way to access this is with that seed phrase